So now we're going to talk about spontaneity. We've kind of mentioned it already. We kind of spoke about the fact that you needed to look at your EMF, okay, and the difference between them. So if the EMF of the cell, we're not talking about the half reactions, of the cell is positive, then the reaction is spontaneous. In other words, if we want E theta of the cell, which equals E theta of the cathode minus E theta of the anode, or E theta reduction half reaction minus E theta oxidation half reaction. If that is greater than 0, then the reaction is spontaneous. If, however, that is smaller than 0, then the reaction is non-spontaneous. So another example is it says, will zinc react with dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl? So let's go find zinc. Okay, so here's zinc. Now we want dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid. So if you want hydrochloric acid, do you agree that it breaks up into hydrogen plus ions and Cl minus ions? Okay, so do you agree that you'll actually be reacting it with hydrogen plus ions, okay? And the hydrogen plus ions are over here. So what are we saying? We're saying if the will of zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. So you can see that this reacts with the hydrogen plus ions because you can write it like this. You can actually write it as a C. But otherwise, do you agree that your E theta is going to be 0, the cathode, minus the zinc, minus 0.76, which is going to be 0 plus 0.76, which equals 0.76 volts. So will zinc react with dilute hydrochloric acid? Yes, it definitely will. Okay, so now you can show how reactions are spontaneous or not. Okay.